welcome to my channel. My name is Hans from the Netherlands, so don't laugh about my English. This week I received my Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo and I wanted to take you on the journey of unboxing and installation of my Anycubic. I do it a different way. I do it with pictures so I can show you a lot more information and give you some tips and tricks. When you open the box, first thing you see is the user manual and the Allen wrenches. The Allen wrenches you need to take off the ace and the bottom plate of your printer. When you take the printer out, watch out, take care, it's very heavy, so don't let it fall. And I would recommend to place the printer on a firm surface because it can vibrate quite a bit. And once you have placed the printer and opened the door, you will find a yellow paper explaining how to remove the Ace Pro from the printer. I started by removing the top plate and removing the protective material from the upper part. After this you can remove the two screws with the Allen wrenches. Watch out, the black plate stays in place. After you loosen the screws you can lift out the Ace Pro. Then I took out the brown cardboard box with all the printer supply and materials. After removing the cardboard box, I took out the protection foam in the back of the printer. As you can see, you have to remove 4 more screws to take off the black plate where the Ace Pro was resting on. When you have taken out the screws, you can take out the black plate also. After that I took off the last protection foam from the back of the printer. This is the poop hole. I will tell you later how it works. And you have to unlock the print head and take off all the cardboard material from the print head and besides the poop hole. After removing all the cardboard you can unlock the hot board. It's screwed with 3 screws by the red arrows. And you have to use the H2.5 Allen wrench. Once everything is unscrewed, you can open the brown cardboard box with all the accessories. You will find a spool holder there to place on the back of your printer, and the iron part has to point upwards. Then you can start to install the Ace Pro. You can put it on top of the Kobra S1, but I placed it beside because of its weight. I started by installing and connecting the filament hub on the back of the printer. Then I inserted the suspended filament tube into the port of the hub. And after that I connected the printer to the Ace Pro. After this you have to install all the 4 Teflon tubes into the filament hub from the Ace Pro. They are in the Ace Pro and you have to take them out. First you have to remove the 4 blue clips from the connection ports of the Teflon tubes. Insert the Teflon tubes into the ports, then reinstall the 4 blue clips back into their original position. And if you have the complete operation, you can put the other sides in the filament hub on the back of your printer. It doesn't matter in which order you place them over there. After that there are only 2 steps to go. First one is to place the activated carbon filter in the back of the printer. You can open the lid in the left corner, put in the bag with the activated carbon and close it again. And if you have placed the carbon filter you can use the power cables in the back of the printer and in the back of the Ace Pro and power it up. After powering up you can put on the printer and put on the Ace Pro and the printer will start up, the display will activate. First you have to select your language. Then you have to select your region. I choose global because we don't live in China. Then you can connect to your Wi-Fi network. And once your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, you can take the USB drive and put it on the right side in the USB drive from the printer. Once you insert the USB drive, the printer will start calibrating itself. After this, it will start a residence compensation program, and the printer asks for a firmware update. When everything is done, you can start by loading the filament. Once placed the filament, you can start printing. There are a lot of files on the USB drive. I started with printing a Banshee. First, the printer will calibrate and heat up. This will take a little while, but after that it will start printing automatically. So as you can hear, the printer is not making a lot of noise. And once the printer is printing, you can install the software. I took the software from the Anycubic website, but it's also on the USB drive, and then you have to wait till the first print is ready. On the website you can download the slicer, and if you have a cell phone, you can download on your cell phone the app. And after installing and opening the slicer, you can log into your profile and your printer. Go to Workbench, and in the Workbench you can see real-time images of your printer inside. It can make a time lapse, or you can watch it live. And then after a while your first print is ready. You have to let it cooling down. The printer also in the hotbed is very hot, so watch out your hands. How colder the temperature, how better you can remove the object from the plate. And then the first 3D print is ready. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time for a new video. In the new video I want to show you all my upgrades for the printer. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Best part I forgot. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with all your friends or other 3D maniacs.